Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up auto payment on Bank of America. Setting up auto pay for Bank of America credit card ensures your bill is paid on time automatically. You can pay your Bank of America credit card from either a Bank of America checking account or a checking account from another bank. Log into your Bank of America online banking and click Pay and Transfer at the top menu. Select Manage Accounts from the other banks and click Other Pay from Accounts, then add the pay from account you own at another institution. Enter your routing number and account number and wait for 1 to 2 business days for small test deposits. Return to verify the deposit amounts. Once verified, your external account will be available for bill payments. Unlike some banks, Bank of America does not automatically link your credit card to AutoPay. You must add it as a bill in the bill pay system. Click Pay and Transfer, then make a payment under the Bill Pay section. Click Add a company or person, then search for Bank of America and select the first logo that appears. Choose Bank of America credit card and enter your full credit card number and assign a nickname. Then click Save. Now your Bank of America credit card is listed as a bill in Bill Pay. Click Pay and Transfer, then select your Bank of America credit card. Request e-bill. Then wait until your next statement is generated. Click Auto Pay, then select Account Balance and confirm your settings, then save. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.